Hello, as you can see, here is the Mackenzie, the Salt Lake, opposite Salt Lake, and I'm from opposite. Yes, we have a lot of history here. This is the Salt Lake. As you can see, this is water. When you drink the water, it is salt. This thing you are seeing is not ordinary water, it is salt. And you don't dare swim inside this water. If you enter this water now to swim it, you are going to die. Yeah? And as a matter of fact, I cannot wear any footwear. I want to enter inside this thing. I'll remove this. I'll remove my shoe. You cannot wear your shoe. Enter inside. You must remove it before you enter inside. And as a matter of fact, a man cannot enter this place now and scoop the water. Man cannot enter and carry the water. Go hamster. No. Rather, the only thing I can do now is that the water. I can touch it. I can taste it, but I cannot carry it and go and boil it. But the woman can enter with a pot, carry it here. As you carry the thing, what you're going to do is you carry it, you begin to boil it until it turns to a solid salt. Now, can you look at this thing? Are you seeing it? Are you seeing this thing? This is water, right? Are you seeing the water? I'm drinking salt. This thing right now is salt. It's salt. If you can take this water now and put it in your food, you don't need to put salt again. Are you getting what I'm saying? If you carry this thing down, you need to cook. You don't need salt again. Yes. Now if you look at it, just look at this place now. Can you look at it? Can you look at it? So this is Salt Lake. It is called Mahezi. During the Nigerian Biafra War, this place served the whole Biafra. Here and Ugu, salt served the whole Biafra. Now you've heard about Afiatak. That is when women during the Biafra War, they risk their lives to ensure they get salt because of kwashiorkor. People were dying because of kwashiorkor. No salt in the things they eat. So salt was like a gold back in the days. So before you get the salt, it is something like you have salt, you are a rich person. Then in opposite community, nobody experienced kwashiorkor because people come here, they take this, they drink it, and they were living. So he served as a savior to the people of opposite community. So this is something we call it Mahezi. Then you heard about Afiatak, where some women they travel maybe by night, they trek, they walk to make sure they get salt. When they now get salt, they go to places. They may go to places like Anambra, there's places like Agwata, or where to sell the salt. They'll get it, go back to that place and sell it, make some money, so that people should not experience what is called kwashiorkor. Then kwashiorkor, there's nothing like kwashiorkor in Opposite because of this place. So this is Opposite Salt Lake. We call it Mahezi. Yes. So once you scoop this and take the water, oh my God, so nasty. Let me go back and test from this place. I don't want to remove my shoe. Let me go. Very sweet. Now, there's a lot of mystery behind this place, such as the sacrifice of the hunter